10 benefits of carrots for our health. Carrots are often found in cooking. Behind the delicacy, we are encouraged to increase consumption of carrots, because the benefits of carrots for health turned out to be so great. Carrots contain various types of nutrients and benefits. Carrot nutrition including fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Some nutrients in carrots also exist that act as antioxidant molecules. Carotenoid compounds in carrots, such as beta-carotene and alpha-carotene, become key nutrients that are believed to be beneficial for health, including fighting cancer. Other benefits of carrots also come from vitamin content, including vitamins C and A. It should not be missed. This is the health benefits of carrots. 1. Reducing the risk of prostate cancer. Experts point to an association between humanoid consumption and a reduction in prostate cancer. Even so, further research is still needed to explore the causal relationship. 2. Fighting colon cancer. According to experts in Japan, diligently consuming beta-carotene can reduce the risk of colorectal cancer. Colorectal cancer is cancer that grows at the end of the large intestine, or in the part of the large intestine that is close to the anus. 3. Reducing the risk of leukemia. Leukemia occurs due to the production of abnormal and excessive white blood cells, leukocytes. Other benefits of carrots are experts that are believed to reduce the risk of the disease. Based on a study, regular consumption of carrot juice can reduce the risk of leukemia and inhibit its development. 4. Maintain eye health. Carrots also contain vitamin A. As we know, vitamin A is very beneficial for the eyes. Vitamin A deficiency can cause various disorders. For example, blindness in children, or xerophthalmia, which is a progressive eye disease that causes night blindness. 5. Boosts the immune system. Carrots also have the potential benefits for boosting the immune system, because of the vitamin C contained in these vegetables. Thus, carrots are believed to be able to fight infection. Not only that, but vitamin C also prevents the severity of colds. 6. Maintaining heart health and blood pressure. Eating high-fiber foods, and meeting the needs of potassium, can protect the heart, and maintain blood pressure. This is where the benefits of carrots are very potential because this vegetable is rich in fiber and potassium. 7. Prevent diabetes. Carrots contain antioxidant molecules, which are believed to control blood sugar. In addition, the glycemic index of this orange vegetable is relatively low, which is 39. 8. Lower cholesterol. Not only high blood pressure can be a trigger for heart disease. High cholesterol can also clog heart arteries, so it must be controlled. The potential benefits of carrots are also believed to help so that cholesterol does not become a disruption in the blood vessel system. 9. Reducing weight. For those who are currently trying to lose weight, eating carrots regularly can be an easy way. Because carrots have relatively few calories and can provide a sensation of filling. Thus, replacing carrots as a vegetable when eating, and making it a healthy snack, can be applied. Carrots have a myriad of health benefits and properties and are classified as safe for consumption. Problems that may arise, namely the consumption of carrots, may cause allergies for some people. Stay fit. Stay healthy. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, hit the subscribe button to receive more like it in the future. Click the link in the description for more information.